Okay, is what we're working on is using one of my part sleds to mock up fitment for an extra 10 suspension off of a Polaris. That's the old skid off this Liquifire. I'm using this sled to mock it up because this is the first time I've done this suspension swap, and I don't want to drill holes in a tunnel of one of my good Liquifires. So I made this jig using an old bearing housing off of this suspension, or off of this drive shaft, and it's got the holes drilled. I drilled holes in it for the distance on center that the extra 10 suspension needs to be. And is all I did is I laid that, it's hard to do one-handed, but I laid that in the hole so I could pivot it and find my placement for my suspension. And the rear one is the hole I took priority on. It needed to be 5 1/4 inches down. Now that I say that, I should double check if I haven't drilled any holes even on this one. And then from where I put that hole, I used it as a guide to come up to the second hole. Kept everything straight and in line. Gonna punch the holes and wait for the suspension to show up and see how it worked.